I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Yesterday I was given a project to do a little carving, but all my chisels were at my son-in-law's house. It took us quite a while to find them all because they'd been lost and misplaced. I decided to make a little rack out of a 1.5 by 1.5 piece of pine to store everything. I started out by laying out the holes about 1 inch apart. That should give me enough room to take the chisels in and out of the rack without knocking them over. Now we'll come over to the drill press and drill a 3/8 inch hole for each one of the chisels. There will be 8 holes in all. Now we can move over to the radial arm saw and cut the little rack off to its final length, about 9 inches. I know it's just a crappy little rack made out of a piece of pine, but I still take the time to sand off all the sawed edges and the holes to prevent myself from getting a splinter sometime down the road. At some point, someone had drilled a hole in the handle of each one of the chisels to hang them on a nail. I don't like holes in my handles, so I have to sand those all down to prevent myself from getting a splinter or maybe even a callus. There we have it, one more thing to help me procrastinate from my big projects.